Hey, baby, what's up? How you doing? Nothing, just chilling, sitting here and watching some TV and shit. What you got going on? Oh, that's what's up. But I'm saying though, when you gonna let me hit them skins? When you gonna let me hit them skins though? I've been trying to, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to hit them skins and shit. What's up with you? Okay. Yeah, I'm just sitting here chilling. You trying to come over? Really? Now you know I'm trying to squirt that water gun. Hell yeah, you know I'm trying to make that damn water leak, girl. You already know what's up. You about to come over now? Oh, okay. That's what's up. All right, well, shit, I'm ready for you if you ready. Yeah, I'm ready for you if you trying to come over. Yeah, come on over. All right, shit, I'm ready for you. All right, bye. Let me go wash my dick and balls. Yeah, yeah. She come over, bust out shit. Oh, man. Oh, shit.